We start by cracking our drain bolt loose with a 15mm socket and a ratchet. This oil is draining super slow. I know there's a lot of sludge buildup in this motor. Now we'll remove our oil filter. I'll link the tools used in the description below. I always use some motor oil to lubricate the rubber seal before installing our oil filter. Now I spin our oil filter and snug it up hand tight. Now we just tighten up our drain bolt. Finally, we rinse all of our messes clean with some brake cleaner. So what's up, guys? Let me give you an update on the Avalanche. So as you just saw, I just drained the oil, and there's so much sludge in the engine. I didn't realize that it was like that bad. I know when I took out the valve cover, and I'll leave the link in the description here, the card, you can click on it to see that episode if you haven't seen it. When I removed the valve cover to change the PCV valve from the oil burning thing, I noticed there was a lot of sludge on the engine. But man, when I just drained it this time, I didn't realize there was so much sludge like in the actual pan itself. I know it's a kind of stupid thought to probably think, but this engine is I don't know, man, it needs an overhaul and it needs to be rebuilt from the ground up. So what I'm thinking is, I already drained the oil. I'm gonna put in some new oil. I'm gonna drive it around for a bit. I'm gonna gather my thoughts, and I feel like what I'm gonna do is rebuild the entire engine. Now, before I go to rebuild the engine and try to pull it out from up here, I'm thinking the easiest thing to do would be to separate the entire cab from the body, leave the frame on the floor, leave the cab in the air, and work on the engine like that. I'll have complete room to do whatever I want. I mean, similar to it being outside. Also, while the frame is out, I can clean it up the best I can, scrape off all the old undercoating material, scrape it off, grind it down, and just POR 15 the whole entire frame, every inch that I can get, and then give it another coat of undercoating and have it last forever for me. So I think that's like the best way to do it. It's such a shame to just see this engine in that terrible of a condition, because I really love this truck, and the fact that, you know, people don't take care of things just kind of bothers me a little bit. So I'm just gonna add oil to this, and then I'm gonna go inside, gather my thoughts, try to jot down things that are possibly needed to redo this engine. I'm definitely gonna take the cylinder heads and the block to get resurfaced, bored, and just check to see if it holds up good. I'll definitely get new piston rings, new valve sleeves, valve stems, whatever, everything that's needed, I'm getting new. New timing chain, new crank, everything, just brand new, clean. I'm gonna clean everything one inch at a time, put it back together. So this is gonna be a huge project. These episodes might not be one little episode, it might not be 3, it might be maybe a 10-part series, I don't know. And then we have to work on the frame itself, cleaning that. Transmission is good. Diff is good, thank God. Everything else is pretty good on this truck. The truck still runs really good. So I'm still stuck between both things. I'm not sure if to just wait for the engine to die and then redo it, or just hit it while it's here and try to figure it out somehow. I don't know, I'll just gather my thoughts. So I'm just gonna put some oil in it. Put some Mobil 1 Super in this. These I got at a great ass deal. I got these for $2. Can you believe this? It was just on sale, laying there for $2. So I picked it up. I got this one and a 10W30. Yeah, guys, so while that just empties out there, this, I don't know, I just want to gather my thoughts on this and see what I can possibly do, because like I said, I really love this truck, and I would love to restore it and not have it go off to the junkyard or anything. This is such a great truck. There's really no rust on the body. There was when I first bought it. That's been fixed. Plus, I'm doing all of the work myself, so I'm saving a good bit of money there versus me having to go buy another truck and then go through this crap. So plus, when I rebuild the engine, I know that it's gonna last me because I rebuilt it and I know my quality of work. So, and plus I'll also take my time with restoring the frame and hopefully keep this truck for as long as I live. That's the plan. I really, really, really love this truck. I just do. I don't want to say I love it because it's to love material things, but you know what I mean. I really like this truck. I really do like it a lot. I think it suits me. It suits my personality. And I know there's a lot of people that can agree with me how much they like this truck as well. Or love. Some people love things, but I bet you majority of the people, especially the ones watching these videos, definitely love this truck. I put in so much stuff through this. I'll leave link cards in the description so you can see the playlist of this Avalanche series. I put in a lot of work into it, a lot of love. Yeah, heck, I even made t-shirts off of it. It's because of this truck my channel started taking life, you know, and it's because of this truck that I have such great subscribers like you guys who like to interact with me, who like to ask me questions, which, by the way, I have no problem answering any questions that you guys have. Some of you guys do reach out to me on Facebook, some of you guys reach out to me on Instagram, and some of you guys actually reach out to me on YouTube or Snapchat as well, and I have no problems helping either one of you. I know sometimes I don't respond like super fast on Facebook or super fast on Instagram or super fast on Snapchat. That's because I'm pretty busy. But YouTube actually populates the notifications really fast on my phone. So it's through YouTube and through the comment section that I can actually best help you, because I am able to respond quicker. And plus, sometimes there might be stuff that I'm really not sure about, and if you leave it in the comment section of YouTube, other people will see it, and other people who may have that idea will let you know. You know, everyone helps out everyone on YouTube. It's like a family thing. So another reason why I also want to do the to redo the engine, because I notice coolant disappears sometimes. Not a whole lot, but the coolant does seem to disappear, and I have changed the radiator cap and everything. It still does. So maybe the head gasket is slowly going on this. Plus it does misfire a little bit. It misfires to a point where the computer doesn't even really pick it up to throw an engine light. But you can feel it when you sit in the truck at idling. You can just feel that it's off. It'll be good. I know that it'll last me a while. Plus, I know that a lot of you guys would definitely love to see this, to see that build. So if you guys would like to see that build, just put it in the comment section. Like, hey Ryan, I would love to see that build. You know, I would love to see the ins and outs of the Avalanche, everything that could be taught about it. Even with rebuilding the engine, I'll do step by step on how to rebuild it. So if you want to rebuild your own, you can do it step by step and just follow everything. I'll get all the torque specs, everything that you need. So if you guys are really into actually seeing that, just let me know in the comment section below. If not, I'll just do it by myself and not really put it up on the videos. But let me know, guys, because I do want to help people out. So I think it'd be a cool video. Alright guys, so I know it wasn't probably like a crazy episode that you guys wanted to see, but I'm just trying to do videos going through for you guys, especially I know you like these Chevy Avalanche ones. So if you do want to see the engine rebuild, please just leave it in the comment section below. Also check out the Chevy Avalanche playlist that I'll leave linked up here in one of the cards in case you guys haven't seen that playlist. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also hit the bell notification on top. Also visit CorollaCustoms.com and pick up your t-shirt. We're almost sold out, so I want to thank everyone who has actually purchased, and the money is going over to St. Jude's. There's like, I don't know how many more I have left. I think I have like 10 each left of the white and the black. I started off with 60, and now there's like 10, so Thank you all for those. Thank you to all of those who purchased, and that money will go to St. Jude's. If you guys want your Chevy Avalanche tee, make sure to head over to CorollaCustoms.com and pick up the t-shirt. I'll see you all soon. Peace.